How to show online to only one person in WhatsApp. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to adjust your WhatsApp privacy settings on iOS or Android so that only one specific contact can see when you're online while others cannot. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to the WhatsApp application, be it iOS or Android, and simply head over to settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to click on privacy. And then you'll see the option of last seen and online. Click on it and you'll be able to see something like this. So first, under who can see when I'm online, you're going to click on same as last seen. And then when you come to who can see my last seen, you're going to click on my contacts except. Click on it and you'll be able to see all of your contacts. You're going to head over, click on select all. And after that, you're going to select the specific contact that you wish to show your online status to. So for example, I'm going to select this contact. So what you're going to do is click on it. And now you can see that that red icon has been removed from here. You can head over, click on done. Now it's going to update for a while and now you can see my contacts except 166 contacts excluded. That means that only one person that I included will only be able to see my online status. So that is basically how to show online only one person in WhatsApp. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.